How to change Fortnite name. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your Fortnite username, whether you want a fresh start or simply dislike your current name. This step-by-step guide will make the process easy and straightforward. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser that's available on your PC. While we are in the web browser, go to the Epic Games website. Type epicgames.com. As you can see, mine is already on the Epic Games website. While we are on the Epic Games website, click the Sign In button at the top right of the screen. While we are in the Sign In option, from here, it's up to you which account you use to link in Fortnite. For example, I choose Google, so I click it. As you can see, a new tab appears. You just have to do the credentials based on which account that linked to your Fortnite account, like mine is Google, before they let you log in to Epic Games. Now that you have logged in to your account in Epic Games, click your profile at the top right of the screen. The menu appears. Just click the Account tab to access the Account section. Now that we are in the Account settings, there is a Display Name section. You just have to click it and change your display name. After changing your display name, scroll down until you see the Save Changes button. If you see it, just click it to change your display name. Changing your Fortnite username is a simple process that involves accessing your Epic Games account. Remember to choose a name that reflects your style while adhering to community guidelines. If you encounter any issues, check Epic Games support for assistance. Enjoy your new identity in Fortnite.